Hi, it's Lexi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you guys wanted to see a declutter video this week because I have been getting the itch to declutter. It's just that time of year, you know? I have 2 previous decluttering videos on my channel. If you like videos like this, make sure you check those out. Also, I personally think they're super satisfying, but whether you are decluttering and organizing your home, having a Sunday reset, want to have me on in the background, or genuinely like to watch people cleaning, hello, hi, let's do this together. On that note, I already have my coffee. I've set up the fireplace vibes on the TV, get some headphones on this pretty little head, and get to work. The very first thing I want to tackle today, this is my spice cabinet up here. It's freaking chaotic, first and foremost. Also, it's really hard for me to reach like up and back in there, so I'm sure that there's just like old sugars and food dyes and just, you know, weird shit that gets pushed to the back of your cabinet. My plan of attack is going to be the same as always. I'm going to remove every single thing, throw out what needs to go, what's old, what's expired, clean it out and do whatever needs to be done. Possibly add some organizers. Actually, let me grab them. Yeah, I still have all of these little organizers from our last decluttering video. Once everything's cleaned out, I'm gonna put everything back and try to focus on keeping things in the front that I'm gonna use most often. That's kind of a good rule of thumb that I like to do with anything when it comes to decluttering. There's an entire bag of confectioner sugar in here that has never been opened and is probably expired. Oh wow, nope, it expires in September. The thing with me, if I don't see something, it doesn't exist. Like, that's why I have to put things back in order of how often I use them, because I will literally just repurchase the product. Like Exhibit A, that confectioner sugar. I did it again with this brown sugar. And I probably bought this years ago. I'm not even joking. Like, this has not been decluttered in far too long. I can't even remember. Please look at all of that seasoning just sitting in the bottom here. Oh my god, the tops of these cabinet doors are disgusting. This one's not so bad. Alright, we are cleaned out. Now we can start loading it back in. Perfect. That is literally insane. I cannot wait to cook later and just open this cabinet and see everything organized. Like, this is why we do it. This is why we do it. Stunning, gorgeous, beautiful, flawless. Next on the agenda is this vanity. First and foremost, I need to clean up because this is outrageous. Honestly, I kind of just left it a little crazy today because I knew I was doing this video. But also, surprise, we're gonna come back to my makeup drawers. This is now the 3rd time the drawers are making an appearance in my decluttering videos. I don't know what you want me to say. Also, on top of this drawer is just a bunch of clutter. It's honestly not that bad, but I need to find a better way to organize. And then on the side of this drawer is just overflow product, a bunch of stuff that needs to be organized. Like this whole situation is a mess. As far as the vanity clutter goes, I've noticed that this has become an issue because I don't have a lot of counter space as it is, and I spend a lot of time here. I also have this basket. I have my little Alex Earl light in there, which I don't know, might look nice on my vanity area. It can definitely hold a lot of product. Either way, I've got to figure out a better situation for this because it is crazy. So let's get into it. Honestly, I feel like I could consolidate a lot of stuff on these skincare shelves. Maybe I can use the top shelf up here for my perfume. Let's see if I can work my magic. Wow, look at that. They all fit perfectly. So here is the state of the vanity. It doesn't look amazing. Okay, I know. I'm aware, but I am gonna get shelves here, so I don't want to set anything in stone really. But one thing I probably will keep as far as the sink configuration goes is this basket. A place to put my new products that I get in like PR or that I want to try on camera with you guys. I want to put them out where I can see them, otherwise I genuinely will forget. I also have like my little hot pad out here. These are my extensions that I like switch out of, like my gym extensions, and then like my nice ones, the ones I'm wearing now. I always use that mirror to get ready, and then just like my jewelry that I like to swap out. Now that I removed all of the body care up here, I have to find a place for all of this, so that'll be fun. And I figure we might as well just go through this area. All right, we got everything out. This is all my like travel size stuff. I don't mind if this goes in the back because I don't reach for it that often. So I've been trying to save my empties for you guys so I can do an empties review. So I've dedicated this box for that. Here. Flow, my old glasses, Hair Max charger. I oil pull every morning, so I'm gonna put her in the front here. Okay, I have roughly 1 hour left until I need to call my niece because I promised her that we could play Animal Crossing together. So I need to be picky with what I declutter last, and I think it's gonna be my lower cabinet. Cross your fingers that I can finish this in less than an hour. I think we can do it. Really, I just need to go through all my Tupperware, hopefully get rid of a ton of stuff, and I would love to move my pots and pans into one of the cabinets down here because I've been using my stove as storage, which is like a big no-no. Listen, I just need to consolidate, okay? So we're gonna open up the Tupperware cabinets and we're gonna get going. Okay, here is the state of my Tupperware cabinet. Obviously it looks very full, but there's a lot of stuff in here I don't even use. Some stuff needs to be given away, thrown away. This is the only cabinet that's tall enough to fit some of these items, hence the random syrup. last declutter of the day. Tomorrow we will resume with my makeup drawers, and I think there might be 1 or 2 more things I want to like clean up and declutter with you guys, and then we'll be done. Hello, we are back. It is the next day. First thing I want to get into today is my makeup drawer. You know the drill. We've got the coffee, we're setting up the vibes, and we're getting straight into it. I've already listened to my podcast and watched enough YouTube today while I was getting ready, so we're gonna do a little playlist action. Good mood happy mix. What's this? Stop, this is so good. Actually, as a matter of fact, if you guys want, I will make you a decluttering playlist and I will link it here for you guys. Okay, let's get started. All of this is going, I hate to see it, but honestly, they're all expired. Wow, so much better. For anyone who's interested in how I organize this, in the back we have like primers, eyeshadow palettes. These are all of my Lawless, forget the filler, lipsticks, the lip balms, accompanied by the lip gloss. This is literally my favorite lip line ever. If you can't tell, I figured they deserve their own spot. This isn't super organized because the way they fit in this little organizer is kind of funky, but oh well. All my YSL cheek and lip stains, my Urban Decay liquid blushes. These are all of my like eye products. I put the products that I use the most on the top. And then in here, we basically just have all of the lippies that I use frequently, my face makeup. The rest of this back here you guys saw was like overflow lip products. This is a blush that I use quite often, and then under here is just like more lip liners and stuff. But I feel like it's very organized. I'm very happy with how it all came out. This whole area now is just, oh my god, it's so much better than it was. It is so hard to focus. This playlist is honestly too good. I've decided we're just gonna finish off with one more section of my house today. My little desk area here needs some help. Has just been accumulating, so I want to knock that out. Okay friends, that is the end of the decluttering video. I will link as many things as I possibly can as per usual. Definitely not all the makeup in my makeup drawer though. That is ridiculous. Don't forget you guys can check out my playlist here if you want something to clean up to, or honestly just vibe to. It's a good playlist. Not that I'm biased or anything. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you're in the fam. Make sure you're part of the club here, dude. Like, how am I gonna know we're friends if you're not subscribed? While you're at it, you might as well hit that like button. And if you wanna see more of me, check out my podcast, Call Me When You Get Lost. We have new episodes every other Monday. Last thing, if you like this video, feel free to check out these videos because you'll probably like them too, especially my last decluttering video. That one was so satisfying, if I do say so myself. Anyways, I'm off to the gym. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you next Friday. Bye.